And in this certain formulas, now what is this n factorial means? So write down n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3. It goes on like this. So example, when I say 5 factorial, it will be 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Now, first of all, you need to understand the meaning of what is this permutation. So, permutation means, now suppose we three people are sitting like this, or some five people are sitting. In how many different ways you can arrange them? So either A, B, C, or you can put them as BCA or CBA. We are only arranging these people in different orders. We are not selecting. I'm not selecting A, I'm not selecting B, I'm not selecting C. I'm only arranging these people. So whenever we talk about arrangement, that arrangement comes under permutation. So you can just write down permutation means always arrangement. Permutation means always arrangement. Okay. So the formula for this you write down NPR is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r the whole factorial. N factorial divided by n minus r the whole factorial. So this is the formula. Okay. Now, shall I go into the problems? Okay. So now I'll be going into the problems with this background. So first problem you write down how many words can be formed? How many words can be formed by using all the letters? How many words can be formed by using all the letters in the word Bihar? So question is how many words can be formed by using all the letters in the word Bihar? So here what is N? So BIHAR. So there are totally 5. So N is equal to 5. Now again R also is equal to 5 because we have 5 positions to be filled and 5 words to be filled. So whenever these both are same, you will get the answer as n factorial only, 5 factorial. So we can just put this in this formula. What is the formula? N factorial divided by n minus r factorial. So always remember 0 factorial answer is 1. So n factorial is nothing but it is 5 factorial divided by 0 factorial. So 0 factorial is 1. So answer is 5 factorial. So 5 factorial will be 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So this will come up to 120. So 120 words can be formed by using all the letters in this word Bihar. So that means here I may keep B, H, A, R, I. So like this different selections I will do and 120 words can be formed. This is one very simple problem. Okay, I'll go into the next problem now. So as and when I go into the further problems, you will get more complicated problems. So I started with a very simple one. Next question you write down. How many letters can be formed? Sorry, how many words can be formed by using all the letters in the word Allahabad? Allahabad. So go ahead and solve this. The same type, but how many words can be formed by using all the letters in Allahabad? So what is n here? So same formula you can put. So n would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So n is equal to 9. So again, if you do the same way, this will again come 9 minus 9 factorial. So this will again become 0 factorial. So that will become 1. And answer should be 9 factorial. But here we have an issue. Because whenever there is repetition of the letters. So here, 2 times L is getting repeated. So whenever there is repetition, use this as a rule in this permutation. Divided by 2 factorial. So 2 times L is repeating. A is repeating how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 times A is repeating. So into 4 factorial. If you solve this, you get the answer. Now how do you solve it a little bit more easily? So see, 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. You divide this by 2 factorial into 4 factorial. 4 factorial is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So this gets cancelled. This entire thing gets cancelled. 2 factorial is just 2 into 1 is 2. So this gets cancelled. Here you make this as 3. Now the answer should be 9 into 8 into 7 into 3 into 5. So if you solve this, you will get 7560. So this should be the answer here. Got it? JSP, I'm writing on the board. Why? How? You feel I'm typing it or what? I'm writing it on the board.
So board only not visible, sir. It's showing some paint page.
Oh, really? Sorry. It's showing paint page, is it?
Yes, sir. It's showing paint page. Board only it's not visible.
I'm writing
Yeah.
on the board for that. Now
Yeah,
what is
just now
visible?
it's visible, sir. Yeah, yeah, fair, sir.
For my face. What about the whiteboard? Whiteboard is not visible, is it?
It's not there, sir.
Oh, okay. Should have told me, no? Okay, fine. Yeah, 1 second. Whiteboard I've already shared.
Showing from first it was showing the paint page only.
Okay. Just a minute. So we'll do it again from beginning. Um, shall I do it from beginning because you people have missed or have not written, or shall I continue from where we were stopped? Shall I do it from beginning?
I just, yeah, it's listens or something, but the thing is, question, I didn't get it. Something said Hyderabad, we didn't get the question, but I listened the concepts.
Okay, okay. Uh, okay, 1 minute. Now I think the paint page is visible, right?
Yeah, paint page is now visible, sir.
Okay, okay. So now you can see, right?
Yeah, sir. Yeah, it's visible now.
Okay, okay. Shall I do it
Thank you,
from
sir.
beginning? I think Aparna is not. I think it got disconnected.
Archana, sir.
Yeah, Archana has got disconnected. I
Sure.
think.
Yes, sir. Some network issue. She is joining, sir. She messaged me.
ಸರಿ
I'll share this concept to her.
ಈಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂದ ಮಾಡ್ಲಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಹೆಂಗೆ
Sir, first ಇಂದಾನೆ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತಾನೆ.
ಸರಿ ಸರಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂದ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ
Question ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ, sir. Sir.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂದ ಯು ರೈಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪರ್ಮುಟೇಷನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್
Sir.
ಓಕೆ
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
ಸಿ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ permutation and combination. See, whenever you talk about permutation, it is only arrangement ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದಿಸ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಸಿ ಸೊ ಈ ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ ನ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಸೊ ಇದು ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅರೇಂಜ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒಂದು ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಅಂತ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಎ ಅಂತ ಸಿ ಎ ಬಿ ಅಂತ ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ permutation. Whenever you talk to combination, for example, if I say in a class there are totally 5 people. In this 5, there are 2 boys and 3 girls. In this, I want to select 2 girls and 1 boy. In how many ways I can select? Whenever the selection comes, it will come to combination. So this thing you should be clear. Because here in the class, when we are doing the problems, permutation separate heading we will do, combination separate heading we will do. But in the exam, it will not come like that. Okay, so this you have to understand. Whenever we say arrangement, it is permutation. Whenever you say selection, it is combination. Now, first we are doing permutation. You are able to see the paint page, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The blank page is
Empty
seen, no?
page.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
New page. Okay. So first heading you write permutation. So here some formulas. First n factorial. What is n factorial? You write down n factorial means always n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3. It goes on. Example 4 factorial means 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. This is 4 factorial. Now for this, we have a formula. So NPR means we have totally n number of items. We can arrange it in r number of different ways we are arranging. That is the meaning. So NPR formula is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r, the whole factorial. Always remember, whenever you get 0 factorial, the answer will be 1. Okay, whenever 0 factorial, the answer will be 1. Now let us start with a simple question. how many words can be formed using the letters in the word Bihar? This is the question. So now again, Bihar, when we say Bihar, in this you are having 5 different places to be filled. So therefore, n is equal to 5. Now when you put it in the formula, this formula, when we put it, it becomes 5 factorial. Now here R also, because there are 5 words and 5 different spaces. So R is also 5. So here it becomes 5 minus 5 factorial. That is nothing but 0 factorial, which is 1. So answer is 5 factorial. 5 factorial means 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So this will be your answer. Done?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Okay, next. One second. Next question number 2. Same question. I'm telling how many words can be formed using all the letters in the word Allahabad. So Allahabad is one word I have. In this, there are different letters. How many? There are totally 9 letters. How many words can be formed? So in this, n is equal to 9. So if you do like previously, n factorial divided by n minus r, the whole factorial, this will come 9 factorial divided by 9 minus 9 factorial. So answer will be 9 factorial. But 9 factorial, yeah, there are some repetitions. There are 2 L's and there are 4 A's. So whenever such question comes as a rule, so L, there are 2 L's, A, there are 4. So divide this 9 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 4 factorial. So how do you solve this? So this becomes what? 9 factorial becomes 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. This all will be divided by 2 factorial into 4 factorial. You can keep it like that only. So 4 factorial is nothing but 4 into 3 to 2 into 1. So this and this you can cancel completely. 2 factorial is only 2. You can cancel out 2. This will become 3. So your total answer will be 9 into 8 into 7 into 3 into 5. So if you solve this, you must get how much? 7, 5, 6, 0. This is the answer for this. Okay. Done?
Yes, sir.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಈ ತರ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಸರಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇಸ್, there is a word that is daughter, Daughtер, daughter, and they say that in how many ways, in how many words can be formed from the letters in daughter, but there is one condition. That condition is vowels must always be together. This is the condition. So there is a word daughter. From this letter, so many words can be formed, but vowels should be together. So now, when you come to the solution, now what do we have? We have this daughter given. So in this again daughter, what is n here? N is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. N is equal to 8. But we have a problem. Problem is what? Vowels must be together, he is telling. So what is he telling? He is telling that D, G, H, T, R ಒಂದು ಕಡೆಗಿರಬೇಕು, ಎ ಇ ಯು ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ದಿ ವವಲ್ಸ್ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಕಡೆಗಿರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್, ಯು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಒನ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ and these as other units. So you should consider vowels as one unit, A, E, U. So now what is N? N is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Because A, E, U we are considering as one unit. So that is what we have to take. So now the answer will be, so same if we go to the previous method, what we did, that Bihar. So in that 5 factorial, n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. So that again became 0 factorial. Finally, it came to 5 factorial. So here also similarly, answer will come to 6 factorial only. But we have this AEU, A, E and U. This AEU we can again arrange in different ways. AEU can be kept as EAU also, UAE also, different ways. So this can be arranged in how many ways? This can be arranged in 3 factorial ways. So answer is 6 factorial into 3 factorial. That will be the answer. So total will come to 4,320 different ways. I hope you understood. If you didn't understand, please ask me. I will explain once again.
Yes, sir, got it. Separately, we have to arrange for vowels.
Okay, so here you should consider it only as 6 because I'm taking out this A, U, E. I'm putting it only under one year. And D, G, H, T are separately I'm keeping. Okay. Next, one more type. Here, write down the question. How many words can be formed from the letters of the word extra, so that there's a condition, so that the Vowels are never together. The vowels should never be together. This is the condition. So try solving this. Previous question we did vowels together. This is vowels never together. Done. Shall I explain? This is again simple here. See, there is this word extra. In this end is how much? End is equal to 5. Now, first what you do is don't apply any condition. Without applying any condition, you try to find out how many words can be formed by using extra. So that is nothing but answer will be 5 factorial. Now we'll do one thing. Let us keep the vowels together and find out vowels together. Here they're asking vowels are not together, but we are doing vowels together. So this is what 1, 2, 3, 4. So this 1, 2, 3, 4, this is equal to 4 factorial. So we again know this A and E, these are 2 here. So this can be arranged in 2 factorial ways. The answer for vowels together is 4 factorial into 2 factorial. So what is the answer for? So we have got 2. One without any condition it is 5 factorial. Another one with condition vowels together it is 4 factorial minus 2 factorial. Now they are asking vowels never together. So that answer is nothing but very simple. Both you should minus, that's all. So it is 5 factorial minus 4 factorial into 2 factorial. This if you do, you will get vowels never together. Do this and tell me the answer.
Sir, is it 72?
Yes, correct. 72. Now, one more problem you try to solve on your own. Question number 5. The word is director. In this word director, how many words can be formed? Condition is but vowels must always be together. So just do this and I will come back. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Just answer.
6 factorial into 3 factorial, which is 4320.
Final answer. Give me final answer.
4320, sir.
Wrong.
4320.
Wrong. I know where you missed out. Just check once again. 4320
Yes.
is one more option. In the option, it will be there 4320 also, but it is wrong. Check somewhere the logic you have gone wrong. Here, 6 factorial into 5 factorial into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Okay? And here you're forgetting that the word R is repeated twice. Correct? So if it is repeated twice, what you should do? Divide by 2 factorial. If you divide by 2 factorial and if you minus this and this becomes 360. Then this IEO, which you are keeping separately, this 3 factorial ways. So this is nothing but 3 into 2 into 1. So this is 6. So into 6, 2160. You have forgotten to divide this repetition. 2 times R is repeated. No, that one you forgot to divide. That's all.
Yes, sir. Now got it, sir.
Now, one more question has come in previous year UPSC. So just checking where I have that question. Okay, that question I'll give you after I do combination also, and we'll see if you can solve it. Okay, next write down combination. So these are the different types of questions you can get in permutation. ಸೊ ಕಾಂಬಿನೇಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆವಾಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ನಾವು, ವಿ ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ದ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಷನ್, ವಿ ಆರ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್. That is, I say in a class there are 5 people in which I want to select 2 girls and 1 boy. So when in how many ways can you do that selection? That is combination. So here for this formula NCR, write down NCR is equal to n factorial divided by r factorial into n minus r the whole factorial. This is the formula. See, last time when we did this NPR, when we got both equal, so for Bihar, n also 5, r also 5. That time answer we are getting 5 factorial. In this, suppose if you get NCN, that means both n and r are equal. So in combination, if n is equal to r, then this value is always 1 only. You have to remember this. And if it is NC and this is 0, if r is equal to 0, then also the answer is always 1. These two rules you should remember. This one formula and these two rules you must remember. So NCR is equal to n factorial divided by r factorial into n minus r factorial. Okay. Now I will start with a question. Now question is simple. In how many ways in how many ways a cricket team of 11 players be chosen out of a batch of 15 players. So here see the question is come selection, choosing. So how do I select 11 players out of 15 players? So try to solve this. Again, this is simple. You can just put in formula. But here I'll tell you one thing. See, n is equal to 15 for us. R is equal to 11. So here for us NCR is equal to 15C11. So the number becomes very, very big. See, the final value of this and the final value of 15C4 both are equal, both are same. The point is, what have I done? See these two. 15 minus 11 equal to 4. The 15C11 I can also write it as 15C4. Both are same. You can reduce that number. Now you put these numbers in this formula and give me the final answer.
Or is it 1365?
Yes, correct. Next question. Write down in how many ways a committee of 5 members can be selected from 6 men and 5 ladies, consisting of 3 men and 2 ladies. So here what they are telling. So in the solution, let us put the data. In the data, whatever they given, 6 men are there, 5 female are there. So total 11 people. So here our total n is 11. In this 11, they are telling I have to select a committee which will have 3 men and 2 ladies. See how many ways I can do. That is what they are asking. Now they are telling I need 6 men. So they are telling there are 6 men and I need 3 men. So men is equal to 6. In the 6, if I have to select 3, then what will it come as? NCR, right? So here what is N for men? This is 6C and R is 3. So this you again put in fact in formula, which is the formula n factorial divided by R factorial into n minus R factorial. So you have to put in this formula. Then for female, there are 5. Out of 5, you have to select 2. So NCR. So this will come 5C2. Now, here the question is they're taking 3 men and 2 ladies. Remember, wherever they use and or wherever and comes, it is multiplication. Wherever or comes, it is addition. Just remember this. Wherever and is coming, it is multiplication. Wherever or is coming, it is addition. So for this, they are telling 3 men and 2 ladies out of total 11, which has 6 men and 5 women. So answer will be 6C3 into 5C2. Did you get the logic here? Should I explain once again or have you got the logic? Did you get the logic or should I explain once again?
Yes, sir, got a logic, sir. Solving,
Uh,
sir.
Final answer, what is the final answer?
Is it 200, sir?
Exactly correct. 200. Okay, now I will do next type. Question number 3.
Question number three.
So here they say there
So
is
here
a
let's say there is a
Archana, just mute yourself.
Archana,
Huh?
mute yourself.
Okay, so there is a group consisting of 13 people. Out of these, men are 7 and women are 6. And the question is, 5 people must be selected with at least 3 men. 5 people must be selected with at least 3 men. How many ways are possible? How many ways are possible? So, what is the question in the solution? That in totally there are 13 people, out of which 7 men and 6 women. So you should select 5 people. We need only 5. Out of this 5, minimum 3 should be made. That is the question. So this I can select in different ways. Now, minimum 3 made, that is the only condition. So what I can do is, first I will do for men, because the 7 men, out of 7 men, I take all 5 men only. So NCR. I will not take any women. This is also allowed according to my condition, because they say minimum 3 men. So 7C5. Or what I can do, or we can select like this: out of 7 men, I select 4 men, and out of 6 women, I select 1. So here also we got 5, 4 men and 1 woman. So condition is minimum 3 male. Or what I can do, out of 7 men, I select 3, the minimum condition what they are given, and out of 6 women, I select 2 women. And what did I tell you that time? Wherever or comes, remember this: wherever you get or, it is addition; wherever you get and, it is multiplication. So the answer is 7C5 plus 7C4 into 6C1 plus 7C3 into 6C2. Understood the logic? So you solve this, you'll get the answer. So put this in the formula which I already told you. NCR formula: n factorial divided by r factorial into n minus r the whole factorial. If you put this there, you get the answer. Tell me the final answer. Done? Done? You should be faster in calculation.
So 406.
How much?
406.
No, it becomes 756. See, first you solve this. In the brackets you solve.
Yeah, sir.
Okay, then you do final. So you get 756 answer. Okay, you try solving once again. Answer should come 756. Next question I'll give you same logic. You try to solve on your own and give me the answer. If you solve this, that means you have understood the logic. If you solve the next question. So write down question 4. A box contains two white balls, comma, three black balls, and four red balls. In how many ways can three balls be drawn from the box if at least one black ball must be included? The same type, if you solve and give me the final answer, that means you have understood. Such types of questions keep coming in the exam. Done. So the condition is at least one black ball must be there. That's the only condition. So in three black balls, I take one black ball, and means always multiplication. Remaining how many balls are there? What is next? Tell me. You have to draw only three more balls. So already black ball I have taken. So this black ball you remove. Remaining in this two white ball and four red ball. So totally six balls are there. In that six, I should take two. Or in this three black balls, I will take two black balls, and in six remaining six, I'll take only one. Or all I will take three black only. Did you understood the logic? In the question, I have totally how many? Four red balls, three black balls, two white balls. So totally how many? Totally we got nine balls. In this I'm telling I should take out only three balls, and condition is at least one must be black. At least one must be black. So out of three balls, three black balls, one black ball compulsory I'm taking, and remaining. So now black I don't want because only one black I have taken. Remaining is how many? Six. Two white and two red. In the remaining six, I have to select only two because totally I have to select only three balls. So this is one condition. One more condition is this, and this is the last condition. Understood or no? If you have not understood, I will tell once again. This is how questions will come. Give me the final answer now.
So 64,
How much?
64.
Yes, yes, exactly, correct. 64 is the correct answer. This is what you're supposed to solve. Okay, next. I'll give you one more problem, two more problems, in fact, in which one I will do now, and one I will you try to solve it later. This one I will not tell you whether it is permutation or combination, but you try to use your logic and solve. They are given one diagram like this. So the question is, there are two red balls, two black balls, and two white balls. In how many different ways can the balls be placed in the boxes so that same color ball, that is one condition, same color ball does not occupy consecutive boxes? This is the question. Try to solve this right now. It's a simple question. It's a very, very simple question what I've given you. Very, very simple. But only thing here, I have not told you whether it is computation or combination. Just use your logic and solve. I will give you another 2 3 minutes. This weekend, there will be a CSAT test which I'm giving to everybody. So people, please come here on Saturday or Sunday. I tell you, please come here and write that. And also one more thing, I want to tell is, see, every year before the preliminary examination, around 15 days to 20 days before the preliminary examination. I will be discussing around 500 topics. This 500 topic which I have been working. I start my work in February to April I work, and I pick out the 500 most important topics which I feel will come in the exam. And every year this is almost clicking. In fact, in 2020, whatever I guessed around out of 100 questions in UPSC, out of the 500 topics I did, around 60 topics came from here itself, what we have selected. So that discussion I will be doing next month, April, second week or third week. So that I will let you know. That one you people have to come here only and attend. That will go for 10 days. This is a very, very simple question. In these four boxes, each box they have to put one ball only. So that is what red balls we have two, black balls we have two, white balls we have two. In this first box, we can put one red ball, or we can put one black ball, or one white ball. So we can put three balls in this. But they are given condition: same color ball must not occupy consecutive box. So here if I put three, suppose if I say here I put red ball, here I can put either black or white only, one black or one white. So this I can put in two ways. Suppose here I put black, here I can put only red or white. So again two ways. Suppose here I put red, here I can put either again white or black. So two ways. Answer is 3 into 2 into 2 into 2. This is the answer. 3 into 2, 6. 6 into 2, 12. 12 into 2, 24. This is the final answer. So you guys got the answer? Done? Got the logic? Shall we go to the next question? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This next question, you try it separately. Okay, I will not do this now. I want you to try it later. So there are totally, question is there are totally 9 boxes. There are totally 9 boxes and 5 balls. Come on. Each row must consist of at least one ball. In how many ways this arrangement is possible. So this one you try it separately. Okay, I'll go into the next topic. Next topic, probability. So probability means what are your chances on that step? Now, for example, you toss a coin. So it's a coin, one side heads and the other side tails. What is the chance you get heads or tails? Right? So chance is 50%. So that is this term probability. So here write down one formula P of E. P of E means probability of an event. N of E divided by N of S. So N of E divided by N of S. Now, what is this N of E or N of S? Now, for example, in a coin, one side you have heads or you have tails. What is the probability of you getting heads or tails? So in a coin, one time you flip it. Can you get both heads or tails at one time? No, you can get only one. So the N of an event will be what is possible. So possible is only one. I mean, only one maximum it can come. But what is the total number of possible things? Either heads also can come or two also can come. So the total number is N of S. It's two. N of E, what actually can come? So out of heads or tails, either head or either tail can come. Only one can come. But total is two. That is this. So probability of this event, probability in a coin when it is tossed, where either heads or tails come, it is 1 by 2. That is 50%, which I told you. So this is the formula, simple formula. You remember this formula. P of E is equal to N of E by N of S. So based on this formula itself, I'll give you one simple, very simple question. You try to solve it. The question is, a die, that is dice, rolling dice, playing dice. A die is tossed. Comma. Find the probability. Find the probability of getting a multiple of 3. Getting a multiple of 3. So what are the outcome comes? So in this, what is S? S is total. So in a die, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. S one is 2. So now P of E is equal to N of E by N of S. If we put Akadra hai, he'll calculate N of S is how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The total number what is possible 6. ಇಲ್ಲಿ multiple of 3 ಯಾವುದು? Multiple of 3 ಬಂದು only 3 and only 6. So 3 and 6 are multiple of 3. So this is this N of E. So N of E is what? It becomes 2. Answer for this is 1 by 3 is the probability. I hope you understood this. So based on the same method, you need to solve the next question which I give you. So probability means what are the chances? Okay, shall I give you the next question?
Yes, sir.
Question 2. Just give me a moment. Hello. I will call you back, please. I'm in a class. Okay, question number 2. So you have to write down the question. Simultaneously, two pairs of dice. So two dice. Simultaneously, two pair of dice is thrown, comma. Find the probability of getting a total. Money, Rohit. Yeah, just a minute. I'll come back. Sorry. Find the probability of getting a total of more than 7. So try to solve this answer. See again, formula will be P of E is equal to N of E by N of S. A pair of dice. So N
Yes,
of S
sir.
will be, yeah,
Is it a pair of dice or two pairs?
two dice, one pair, and then ಎರಡು dice.
Ah, okay.
Okay, so N of S, what can happen is in two dice, in one die it can come one or two or three or four or five or six. ಇನ್ನೊಂದರಲ್ಲಿ it can come one or two or three or four or five or six. So here it can come six different ways. Here it can come six different ways. So that N of S will be 6 into 6. N of S will be 36 here. But n of e, so I'm telling what total more than 7. So what all can be in the first die 2 can come, in the second die 6. So total more than 7. This is one combination. 3 and 5. Then after that 3 and 6. Then what can come? 4 and 4, 4 and 5, 4 and 6, then 5 and 3, 5 and 4, 5 and 5, 5 and 6, then 6 and 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5,
So is
and
it 15 by 36?
15 by, exactly,
36.
solve more 15 by 36. This can be more, it can be solved more, right?
Yes, sir, solved, sir.
Multiple of 3, 5 by 12 is the final answer. Okay, these are simple. I'll go into little complicated. So 5 by 12 is the final answer. Next question. A bag contains 6 white balls and 4 black balls. 2 balls are drawn at random. 2 balls are drawn at random. Find the probability that they are of the same color. Find the probability that they are of the same color. So in question they're telling in one bag there are 6 white balls and 4 black balls. From this randomly I'm pulling out 2 balls. What is the probability that they are of same color? Now how do you solve this? Now again see here, formula is P of E is equal to N of E by N of S. Now what is my N of S?
24.
N of S is 2 balls total in what it will come. Total 2 balls. So N of S is not 24. See, the total balls is how many? 6 plus 4. So there are 10 balls, right?
Okay, sir.
Out of 10, because here we are again selecting white ball, black ball, and all. Out of 10, I'm taking 2. 10C2 is my N of S. Understood? And what is my N of E? In N of E, I'm telling that 2 balls should be of the same color. So, out of 6 white balls, it must be 2 white balls, both 2. Or, whenever or comes, I said what addition? Or out of four black balls, I take two. This is my n of e. So my final solution will be what? 6c2 plus 4c2 divided by the 10c2. This is my final answer. If you solve this, you'll get the final answer. Understood the logic or no?
What was, sir? Why should we divide, sir?
Because this is the
Okay,
formula,
okay,
no?
yes, 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 sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. P of E formula.
21 divided by 45, sir.
Yeah. Solve it further. 7 by 15.
Sir.
Okay. Now I will give you a few questions for you to write later. So write down the question. Two cards are drawn at random from a pack of 52 cards. What is the probability that either both are black or both are queen? Either both are black or both are queen. One thing I tell you, to solve this question, you sometimes question on cards pack will come. So one thing we need to know, in a pack of 52 cards, so any one color, if you say black or any one color,
Black and red.
black, black, red, or heart, they can say sometimes they can say diamond or whatever. Any one thing they say
Two
that
colors, four symbols will be there, sir.
uh, so total there will be 13
52
black.
cards, 13.
Everything, yeah, everything
Hmm.
13 will be there. 13, 13, 13. And now, for example, when I say queen, again, that will four colors will be there, as you said, four colors, queen. So this you keep it in mind and solve the answer.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, one more question, which had come in UPSC. It had come in 2008. So write down the question. There are six different letters and six correspondingly addressed envelope. If the letters are randomly put in the envelope, what is the probability that exactly 5 letters go into the correctly addressed envelope? What is the probability that exactly 5 letters go into the correctly addressed envelope? So you also try to solve this question. Okay. I'll give you a few more questions. These are the types of questions what we've already done. So all this is the types of questions which we have done. I'll give you another just two more questions, but I'll not tell you whether it is probability or combination. So see, this one is probability. Previous question also probability only I gave. Next two questions you write
Yes.
miscellaneous. I will not tell you what it is. Whether it is permutation, it can be combination, it can be probability. But very, very simple. We have already done this kind today. So write down this question. In how many? I'll give you a hint for this. The previous two probability questions, same type what we did previously. If you solve that, your understanding is done. Or else tomorrow I will redo those problems. In how many ways can 4 books A, B, C, and D be arranged vertically, one above the other, if book A cannot be put together with book B? I'll give you options. It had come in the exam: 9, 12, 14, and 18. So how to solve this is, if you remember the word extra,
Yes, sir. It
where
is.
I said the vowels must not be together, same type. It's telling
Yes.
here book A and B must not be together. So
So
like
they
this, they're
have to be
telling.
together, then minus.
Yeah, they're telling like this, books are kept one on above. A and B must not be together. So first what you do, you find all books A, B, C, all together. So that will be how much? That is nothing but 4 factorial. Then you find A and B together. A and B together is, you will get, because only 1, 2, 3, 4. So A and B together we keep. So it will be 3. So that will be into 3 factorial. Correct. So this one you should be minusing with this one. Understood? No.
Yes, sir. Yes, I got it. I got
Yeah.
it. Sure.
Sorry, I made a mistake. See, first one is what? 4 factorial
Yes, sir.
minus with this will be 3 factorial into 2 factorial. Correct? No? Together, vowels together. So this is 3 factorial, 1, 2, 3. And this can
Yes,
be
sir.
divided into 2. Understood or no?
Yes, sir. For vowels, for have to take. I mean,
Vowels
for A
together.
and B, have to take first.
Did you understand how is this 3 factorial into 2 factorial?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay. So if you minus this, you'll get the final answer here. Okay, one more type,
Uh,
one more question I'll give you.
yes, sir.
This type also we have already solved. This question which I'm giving you, it has come in the UPSC exam in the year 2008. So question you write down. A teacher has to choose the maximum number of different groups, different groups of 3 students from a total of 6 students. Different groups of 3 students from a total of 6 students. Of these groups, comma, in how many groups will a particular student be always included? Options I'll give you: 6, 8, 10, and 12. 6, 8,
So
10,
for
12.
previous answer, is it B, option 12?
Yeah, previous is 12.
Yeah.
ಇದು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಂಗೆ ಇದು this question.
ಹಾಂ ಸರ್ ಅದು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
This is very simple. So there are
Question about combination, sorry.
huh?
Combination, right, sir? This question about combination, right, sir?
You tell combination or permutation.
Yes.
It is definitely combination only.
Yes.
Because choose, if the word
Choose.
choose comes with selection, that means combination. See, we can do it very simple. Six students, lettering A, B, C, D, E, F. So if you take total, it will be how much? They're telling out of six students, you should select three students and make a group. Correct? No, so 6C3. But it's telling in one group, always one student will be included. So let us consider like that. So that means you leave A. Let us say A is always included. So now I don't want. I have only remaining five people. A I am always taking at any cost, A will be there. So now out of three candidates, one candidate is already selected. I require only two. From the remaining how many? Remaining five. So 5C2 is the answer. That's all.
I'm
Understood?
not getting the second part, sir. Always one will be included. I'm not getting that part, sir.
See here, I'm telling what there are totally six students where we should
Yes,
select
sir.
a group of three people.
Yes, sir.
And he says in how many ways the group can be formed where a particular student will be always included. So let us say one particular student is always there.
Okay, sir.
If that condition was not there, answer would be 63.
Six
But
with
because
okay.
if there is no condition, if this condition was not there, answer was 63. But now this condition is there. A is always there. A I am always selecting. So now already out of this three people, one person I've already selected. So I require only another two people.
Okay.
Out of six, one now I don't want. Only I remaining only is five. B, C, D, E, F. Only five is remaining. So out of the remaining five, I select only two more. So my answer is 5C2.
Okay, sir.
So that will be 5C2 is nothing but 10.
Yes, sir. 10. Option C.
Okay, so I've done all different types from permutation,
Combination and probability.
and probability. Okay, so you need to practice these questions and practice the formulas. Now,
Okay.
tomorrow I'm planning to do two chapters, one on clocks and the other on calendars. These two chapters I will do tomorrow. Okay.
Okay, sir. I have a doubt, sir, for previous
Yeah.
two questions.
Uh,
Um, Here, two cards drawn randomly now, sir. For that, it's 52 cards.
uh,
Card will be in two colors, black and red. So
uh,
here question is four different styles will be there. Heart, this thing, diamond, this thing will be there.
yeah, yeah.
So each style it will be 13 cards and each color will be 26 will be their cards. So black
Yes,
and red will be
yes,
26, 26.
yes, yes.
So here you gave the question that either both are black or both are queen is there, sir.
Yeah. So
So
either
here if
or both
mm,
queen. That one, that condition you put. So black how many will be there? Black will be 13, 13, 26 blacks.
26 is sir.
And queen will be only four.
Okay, but here both are here we are drawing only two cards, no, sir.
Yeah, only two cards. So what is the probability? That is the thing. Out of this, what is the probability you get those two cards?
Okay, okay, sir. Got it.
You
And
you
here
try it,
is
check it out in your answer. Okay.
yes, sir. I will do it, sir.
Okay, okay. If anything, if you don't get that, tomorrow we'll again read this one thing. We will redo whichever they have given homework. No, if you don't get tomorrow, I will redo it. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you,
Right,
sir.
right. One more class is there at 4:15. That's all. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you, sir.